That's Audie on the dirt bike there. There's Audie. And there's Cohen in the Silverado. Riley's chilling inside. Today we got a lot of content to make, a lot coming, a lot to do today. So first off, I have to show off my new Yee flag. Huge shout out to Yee Apparel. And if you don't know what Yee is, you just gotta go find out. This flag quality is one of the best that I have. And I have 9 different flags. So Earl Dibbles Jr., aka Granger Smith, Yee Nation, locked and loaded on the Corvette now. And man, does it look good. So, look forward to me flying that flag. Let's get a nice little burnout from Cohen here. Oh, he got out. Now let's get into the real content for today. And that is how to fix these silly pillars on a 5th gen Explorer. Let my camera catch up. Not sure what's up with it today. But these pillar pieces here, they like to just fly off. One fell off doing 75 down the highway. The other one fell off doing 50 down the highway. So literally speed is a factor to a sense, but it doesn't matter how fast you're gonna go. These are gonna fly off. And sadly, Ford hasn't done anything about it except, well, just go ahead and bring it on in and we'll put new ones on and charge you. Well, I'm sorry, no, that's not gonna work out for me. So, look, these aren't even tight and I haven't even messed with them. Okay, that one wasn't, that one was loose. That one's loose too. So, not only is this just like terrible design, but it's kind of a safety feature. Shoot, one of them almost flew off and hit another car. What are you gonna do then? Well, sorry, my nice Ford here is falling apart on the highway and hitting other cars. Like, sorry guys. Anyhow, my little rant about these is over. That's the biggest complaint I have with my Ford Explorer. Otherwise, I love the deer. So let's get into it. We'll open up our new parts, and I will set you guys down here and show you the little process that it is. It's really simple. So let's dive in. Alright, so to get these bolts off, you gotta have a 5/16 socket, which I've got here. And I put it on my drill just to make it a little bit quicker. And so, just go up there and drop it. Bam, it's done. I'll set the drill back down over here. And so you have a screw here, a screw there, another screw down here, one there, and last one is right there. So that is a total of 6 screws, and then you should be able to just use your fingers there, pop that right off, and take that piece of garbage and throw it down, because we don't need that where we're going. Maybe I'll just polish this up, cover those holes, and we just won't even use these new pieces. I'm just kidding, I'm not that good. Maybe one day, maybe I can make that just put some bolts and weld a piece like this and make it blue. Maybe that'd be pretty cool. So for putting the new one on, it's gonna be kind of difficult to hold you guys up there and show you. But as you see, my old one, this rubber piece, it also, once these black covers fly off, this rubber piece down here on the bottom, this whole piece and this, if you just leave it, will start blowing off on the highway too. So it's not very good. We're gonna actually clean that up a little bit before I put these new ones on. So, alright, let's get you guys rearranged here. There's a little tab down here, this little guy. You can kind of see that. You have to put it underneath there, like so. And then, sorry guys, my nose is running like crazy today. This piece on the back, you gotta pull up and tuck it behind the the metal of the body. Yes. You want to talk to the camera? Okay, hold on, just 2 seconds. So once you get that done, make sure your holes line up, and then at the top up here, maybe you guys can see that. There's that little like T, and it goes right in that hole. And then you know you're good. And you gotta pull this one, pull that out, because there's a new one on the top of this that'll go in there. Right there, it's really hard to see with this plastic, but I'll show you guys when I get there.
Bubble.
You like bubble wrap?
Yep. And me.
Alright, so now we got that out. Just use some needle nose pliers, pull that out. And we've got this one ready to go. Now you see this white strip? This is going to be the fun part. There's the new tab that'll go into this top hole. So we're going to sit it on here just like so. But this white strip has some nasty sticky stuff. I love you too, Bubba. And it's going to line up right there on the black strip. So, Cohen, can you help me out?
Why?
Can you pull this white tape off?
Why?
All the way. Keep going. Good job. So that exposes the sticky stuff, and let's go ahead and put this guy on. So we're going to start by lining it up. So you put your bottom in first, and then you're going to push it down a little bit, line it up all the way to the top here, push it down. It's best, actually it's not best, it's needed to open this door because it gives you a little insight on where your pin is up here. You can get it lined up, and then just give it a nice push down. Get all those parts, those clips to snap in, and then once you do that, you're done, and you no longer have the Ford Explorer cancer. Hold on, bud. So now it's nice and smooth. It looks way better that way than it did the cancerous way. So that's the process of installing your new side pillars. If you guys haven't already, please give us a thumbs up. If this video helped you, drop a comment down below. And as always, if you haven't yet subscribed, please click that red subscribe button because we have a lot more coming mod-wise to the Explorer, to the Corvette, and we have some family vlogs that are in the process. The boys have been begging to do it, so we're going to be doing some more of those real soon. So stay tuned. We will catch you guys in the next video. Have a great night. She's almost back to full capacity. Looking good. Time for some real mods.